From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. You know what? On the first day of the Fed meeting, the S&P gapped 1.5 handles higher and then made its low on the open, and there's really been no rallies to sell all day. It's just been a slow grind up. From 11 o'clock Central Time to 2:30 Central Time, the ESZ, the S&P E-mini D's contract, traded in a one-handle range from 1697.5 to 1698.5. It's been completely dead here. Now, we said things would be slow, but today's 6.5 handle range says it all. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1698.70 midday. The low came in at 1692.20 after the open. And last, we're 1697.5. We're up 6.3 handles. Total volume, now this is really something. Total volume, we've got 1.35 million D's minis traded, but 440,000 of that came from Globex. 550,000 of that came from the S&P mini spread, the ESZ spread, and that leaves a total of 360,000 minis traded in the day's session. Now that's like the lowest volume we've ever seen. I can't remember that far back, but I can tell you clearly that's super low volume. MOC, we had 258 million to buy. Tomorrow we've got the MBA Purchase Apps, we've got the Housing Starts, we've got the API, the crude inventory numbers, we've got the FOMC meeting announcement, the FOMC forecast, and then the Bernanke press conference after. Now, you know what? All this stuff as we go into the Fed meeting, into the triple witch, and into the quarterly rebalance, it's been a big risk-off trade here, and you can feel it all over the place. Now, what I would say is there was some very, very big action over in the interest rate options, specifically over in the euro dollars today. There was some huge block trades that went up, both in the futures and the options. That could be pre-Fed stuff that they're doing. And then last but not least, what I want to do is I want to make sure all you guys that are following me, MrTopStep, on YouTube, really take a shot at our webinar on Saturday at 11 o'clock Central Time. It's with our collective. It's all about trading and sharing ideas, and you'll get a good handle on what we do from the trading floor that helps traders throughout the day. That said, we'll see you on the opening print.